To transfer photos and videos from your Galaxy S26 to a USB storage device is simple. All you need to do is simply connect your USB storage to your S26, and once it's been connected and successfully registered on your phone, all you need to do is now open up the Files app and then simply find the files that you wish to transfer. Once you found the files and you've selected them, you're going to choose your transfer method, whether it's move or copy, and then you're going to choose the location of your transfer or you're transferring to. So in this pop-up, you're going to select USB storage 1 and then choose your destination and tap on move or copy here. And once they've been successfully transferred, you can tap on the back button, go to external storage and select USB storage. From here, navigate to the location where you saved your files and you should be able to see them successfully added to your USB flash drive or to your USB storage device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.